Do you want a surefire way to know if you've been indoctrinated? Follow along. If you know that the water in this glass lays flat and level, and the water in this hot tub is flat and level, and the water in that pool is flat and level, and the water in that pond is flat and level, well then what allows the water to be curving over thousands of miles on this? If you answered gravity, you're indoctrinated. And look, I don't say that with any judgment. I was indoctrinated. Every single one of us was indoctrinated. I want you to notice something. Notice how the water on the ball is seeking its level. It's not sticking to it. Oh, but this ball's not big enough, you might be saying, right? Well, let's get a bigger ball and even spin it. And what's that water do? It's still seeking its level. And maybe you're still saying, but no, you don't understand. The Earth is so big. You can't duplicate gravity on anything smaller. Well, do you know that the laws of physics, they don't change with size? And the theory of gravity, well, do you know it has nothing to do with mass attracting mass anymore? It's actually the bending and warping of space-time. And buoyancy and density, it's actually a lot stronger than they propose that gravity actually is. So like I said, if you want a surefire way to know if you've been indoctrinated, well, you're probably having cognitive dissonance towards this video right now. You're probably feeling a little angry, like this guy is a moron. He just doesn't understand how gravity works. He's probably some uneducated Neanderthal. And well, don't even get me started on Neanderthals because they didn't exist. You were just told they did so they could push you the theory of evolution. You see, they want you thinking you're living on one of these so you don't realize you're at the center of all creation. It's why all of the stars circle Polaris. Polaris is at the north, which is at the center, and everything circles it and us. It's why the stars of Orion have aligned with the pyramids of Egypt for thousands of years, even though they tell us that the Earth never comes back to the same place and it's moving and wobbling in 8 different directions at 8 different speeds. None of it's true. We were all indoctrinated. We were all indoctrinated to hide the Heavenly Father who created this realm for us, and also to hide the fallen angels that are here manipulating everything and getting you to worship them instead of him. Now, like I said, being indoctrinated isn't the crime because we all were. I don't know a single person that wasn't fully indoctrinated into the beliefs of the theory of evolution, the theory of gravity, the theory of living on a globe. It's all total nonsense to hide the Father. The only crime is if you don't figure it out, especially after you've been told. No one ever told me. I just figured it out. But I would like to think that I was humble enough that if someone did tell me, I wouldn't look at them straight in the face and say, you're delusional. I would take the time and I would research, because water, whether it's in a pool, a hot tub, a cup of water, a pond, or the Earth, always seeks and remains level. It can't spin and it can't circle thousands and thousands of miles just because you have been told it can. It's a lie. It's indoctrination. It's time we all figure it out. But of course, all this for entertainment purposes. I'm sure that water can break all the laws of physics just because it's on a bigger scale, so big that you can't even comprehend it. Kind of like the stars are so far away that you can't even comprehend it. They're quintillions of miles away, even though light doesn't travel that far. Look up the inverse square law of light. Law. It's a law, not a theory. Have a lovely day. Entertainment only.